It takes you directly to an item in our OpenStax text. Here's the main webpage for our Calculus 1 textbook. I click through to the online version, and here I'm looking for the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus section. I'm going to go down to example 515 and show you how this works. Here it is. I'm going to right-click and inspect the page at this point. It brings up this pane onto the right. I'll try to blow it up. And I'm looking for an ID tag that goes along with this example. So I'm clicking through open flippy triangles on the right until I see an ID, and there it is. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to bring it up to the URL for this page, and I'm going to append it on the end with a hash sign in front of it, a pound sign. So I'll hit enter, and the browser should take me right to that place. Here I'm going to copy the URL and start the browser anew with the same URL. Click it, there you go. It takes me right to that example as we wanted to have happen. You're welcome.